Hey guys, Harbor's Cheshire Kid here. Today I'm making a video of this 52-inch neon ceiling fan that I currently installed it outside of this back porch. Yes, it is open. See? This fan's not going to be up here for long. I'm going to give this to the junk collector since he wants it for some reason. The uplight doesn't work, but sometimes it'll come on. So right now it's not gonna come on, but the fan itself works and this spotlight kit works. Start it up on low. The other fan I'm thinking about putting up here is my black Harbor Breeze Builder's Best, the indoor version, and probably the Heritage Alexas, just to finish that fan off. But for now, this fan's gonna stay out here. I was gonna keep this fan after I fix the neon light for like at night time, since I have the chairs here. I'm gonna add a table. You know, for nighttime, this fan would have been cool during the night, having that light off and the neon on. But, oh well, I'm pretty sure I can find another neon fan. It does wobble, and then if my hands are sturdy enough, you can see it like vibrates and it bounces, like something like that. Well, yeah, this fan is holding up nice. Not too bad. Blows a decent amount of air when the wind is not blowing. So right now I can feel it. Fan blows pretty good air, and then you can see the motor. Alright, this is the video of the 52-inch neon ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.